Ho, 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 everybody! It's Maryland State Santa again! Ever since I read my poem to my favorite state workers, boy, have I got some responses! Workers have been sending, state workers, they've been sending video emails to Santa! Boy, I can't wait to see them! That's what I gotta say! Ho, 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 everybody!
Here's my letter to Maryland State Santa. Dear Maryland State Santa, my name is Ida Bailey Jones, and I've worked for the state for 20 years. Over those years, I have seen our workload increase, and our wages have not. You want to increase our prescription co-payments by 100% and freeze our wages too? No, Maryland State Santa, that is a cold thing to do.
Dear Maryland State Santa, I've been a state worker for 18 years. Across this state, my co-workers and I have served it faithfully. Over the years, we have been subject to working with staff shortages, but the work continues to get done. Maryland State Santa, we, the employees, put in long hours and help improve the quality of life for all Marylanders. Respect our work and stop the cuts.
Dear Maryland State Santa, here's our poem to you. 'Twas a week before Christmas and all through the state, workers was working both early and late. Yes, times are hard and money is too, but dear Santa, the workers aren't through. We will not allow you to stop our holiday cheer. We will have our voices heard both far and near. Santa, while you enjoy your family and friends, know that we are asking and you haven't heard the end.
Dear Maryland State Santa, my name is Janice Mensah and I work for the Department of Juvenile Services as a case manager specialist. This is the season of giving, but you are taking. Enough is enough. State employees are standing together and we can't afford to close your budget gaps. Thanks a lot, Maryland State Santa.
This is my letter to the Maryland State Santa. I have been a state employee for 14 years, and you of all people should know that we, the employees of this state, make Maryland happen. Without us, services could not and would not be provided to the public. This time of the year is the hardest for working families. In a time of economic crisis, we are already struggling to make ends meet. You've already hurt us by taking money out of our pockets through furloughs. Now you want to increase our health care costs and freeze our wages. We say enough is enough. Maryland State Santa, we have no more to give.
Ho, ho, ho! It's Maryland State Santa again! Boy, after seeing those videos, who knew those state workers would be organized? They sure have some fight in them. Ho, ho, ho! That's all I gotta say tonight!
To my state co-workers, join me and others in fighting Maryland State Santa's cuts. Start looking for your postcards to arrive at your home soon. Make sure you join us by signing and returning yours right away. If you don't get one in the mail soon, call Ask Me Maryland at 410-837-3055. Thank you.